A projectile is thrown with an initial velocity of 55 meter per second and initial launch angle of 39. How long does it take to reach its maximum height? So here we have to find out the time in order to reach its maximum height. So let's put what are all the given quantities. V0, the magnitude of the initial velocity is given, and the theta, the launch angle, theta is given, that 39 degree. And how long does it take to reach its maximum? So we have to find out the time the projectile takes to reach this position. This is the maximum position. So at the maximum position, at the maximum height, we know that the velocity, I mean the vertical velocity at the vertical velocity will be 0. I mean the vertical component of the velocity vector will be 0 at this point, right? So we learned that across the horizontal direction, the motion is a constant uh, uh, motion, I mean constant velocity motion. So this v0x remains the same throughout the motion, whereas v0y keeps changing, and v0y means I mean the vertical component of the velocity vector keeps changing. That will be 0 at the maximum height. So it's one more data is given here. We can say that vy of t equal to 0 at the maximum height. At maximum height. Now the question is, what is this time? How long does it take to reach this position? We have to find out the time. So now let's what equation we can use. Figure out what equation we can use here. Uh, we have to choose in the vertical motion from the vertical motion equations. So we can we choose this expression? Yes, let's vy of t equal to v0y sorry v0y minus gt. So vyt is already, we know that at the maximum height it will be 0. So it's going to be 0 equal to v0y minus gt. Let's rearrange this one. So let's take this to the other side. So it's going to be gt equal to v0y. So we can say that t equal to v0y over g. So now we have the expression to find out the time of a projectile it takes to reach its maximum height. So now we just need to plug in the values. T equal to, what is v0y? Actually v0 sine theta over g. So what is v0? Actually it's given 55 uh, times sine, what is sine theta is 39 degrees over 9.81. Let's put it in the calculator. 55 times sine 39 divided by 9.81. It will be 55 times sine 39 divided by 9.81. It's going to be 3.53 seconds. So this is what I'm getting. Time is the time the projectile take to reach its maximum height, t equal to 3.53 seconds.